Have you ever wondered how to choose the right equipment for your packaging line? Let's explore the key factors that influence their decisions when selecting corrugated board production lines, flexographic folder gluers, corrugators, staplers, and die cutters. First things first, buyers start by assessing their specific needs. What type of products are they packaging? Are they focusing on lightweight boxes or heavy-duty shipping containers? Understanding the end product is crucial, as it dictates the type of machinery required. Next up is production capacity. Buyers need to consider how much output they require. Are they a small business looking to scale up, or a large manufacturer needing high-volume production? The right machinery must align with their production goals to ensure efficiency and profitability. Technology plays a pivotal role in the decision-making process. Buyers are on the lookout for the latest innovations, like automation, digital controls, and energy efficiency. These features not only enhance productivity, but also reduce operational costs in the long run. Quality and reliability are non-negotiable. Buyers often seek out brands with a proven track record. They want machines that can withstand the rigors of daily use and deliver consistent results. Reviews, testimonials, and case studies can provide valuable insights into a manufacturer's reputation. Of course, cost is a significant factor. Buyers must weigh the initial investment against potential returns. They often conduct a thorough cost-benefit analysis to ensure that the machinery will pay for itself over time. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best. At HRB Pack Group, we believe in empowering our customers with the best technology. Our dedicated team is here to support you every step of the way, from installation to maintenance, all from one place, with our complete product range: corrugated cardboard production line, flexo folder gluer, flute laminator, stitching and die cutting machines. Last but not least, after-sales support is crucial. Buyers look for manufacturers that offer comprehensive service packages, including installation, training, and ongoing maintenance. Join the ranks of satisfied customers and elevate your packaging game with HRB Pack Group. Visit our website today to learn more about our innovative solutions.